Real airport life typically involves a visit to the airport food court. But who do hungry passengers encounter when in search of their reasonably priced meal? On July the 27th, 2024, the Atlanta Police Department was called to the scene at the airport for reports of that man.
The caller to come back.
I'm sorry, realize?
The 26 have the caller to return.
Hey look, they called the police on me and I'm a superstar. Ain't that some shit, man? They called the police on the superstar.
Superstar, you got a boarding pass? You got a boarding pass? Hey. Do you have a boarding pass? Come on, man, let's go. Get up. I know you can hear me. Yeah, you can hear me shaking your head. So I advise you stand on up. Can I put my hands on you?
Hey, do what you gotta do.
I'm gonna do what I gotta do. If you can't,
hey man,
come on, let's go.
Black lives don't matter, y'all. Watch this, y'all. Black lives don't matter. Watch this.
You wanted to matter, get up and do what you told.
I'm not.
You're not gonna do that? Okay. Well, what's I'm gonna do for you? Now, stand up. Come on, get up. Stand up. Stand up. All right. Don't make me hurt you, man. I don't want to hurt you, so don't make me do it.
Hey, nah, bro.
Okay? So put your hand behind your back. Then do what you told. I'm going to yank you to the ground. I'm going to yank you to the ground.
I go to the ground.
Okay, no problem.
Yank me, man.
Then go to the ground. Do what you're told. Get down. Get down. Get down. You're going to get hurt. You're under arrest. You're under arrest. Stop.
But I'm under arrest for.
Stop,
I'm
man.
asking, bro. What I'm under arrest
You have a boarding pass. You caused a disturbance.
I'm under arrest for.
Did you really want to go to the other day?
Bro, get out my face,
Hey,
bro.
hey.
Out my
All right.
face, man.
I'm going to tase you. I'm going to tase you.
Yeah, but you on my face,
I'm gonna
bro.
tase
I ain't
you.
gonna want no kiss, bro.
I'm going to tase you.
Bro,
I'm going to tase you.
bro.
Stop.
Get out my face,
Put your hand behind your back. Put it behind your back. Dude, you want me to tase you? Is that what you want? Is that what you want? Do you really want to get tased? Put your hand behind your back. Put it behind your back. Put it behind your back. I'm going to hit you with this.
Come on, I'm not resisting, bro. Y'all acting like I'm resisting. Y'all know I'm not resisting. Come on, bro. Y'all want some gay shit, bro. Look, you man just touched my dick, bro. Like, come on, bro.
Man, search you. Make sure you don't have anything on you, bro. Come on.
Oh,
man.
no,
You've been through this
I
before.
understand,
You've been through this
I
before.
understand, I
You've been through this
understand,
before, bro. You know how the thing was. Stop playing. You've
I
been through it.
understand, bro. I'm just saying.
So you
man.
just talking.
Nah, I'm not resisting.
All right, but you've been through this before. So I understand.
I'm not resisting.
You've been
though.
served out
I'm
with.
talking.
Man.
Words is words.
But you
we
take-
grown men.
but
you
you-
shouldn't let words bother us.
Nah, but you saying
Grown men, bro.
you try to give
Resisting is like-
demands.
We search you up because shit like this.
Yeah, bro, but I didn't pull out on nobody.
Doesn't matter. That's why when I tell you to do something, you don't do it.
Didn't pull out
No,
on
you
nobody.
don't get it. You just don't get it. When I say don't put your hands in your pockets, don't put your hands in your pockets.
Bro, that was my book
Simple.
bag,
It doesn't
bro.
matter. Same principle.
Alright, bro. Just saying, bro.
Where you from? Where you from, bro?
Man, coming from New York.
You need to go back. Man, you really.
I do right there.
Yeah, man, cause you in the wrong place out like this, man.
Hey, man, God brought me here for a reason, bro.
Yeah, I guess this is the reason then, huh?
No, it's not the reason. It's not the reason.
How's that called?
Well, I mean, the thing is,
So we get, you know, respectfully, when you look at it, this is why black people are weak, bro.
what black had to do with your behavior?
I did not threaten nobody.
Again, the thing is, the guy got a call on you. You did something that it really terrorized the people to call them down 911. So again, like I said, you might.
Man. Not really, man.
No. See, wherever you from, that's what you used to doing, but it's not like that. All right.
That I can agree.
Right. Okay. So,
That I can agree with you.
right. Again, like I said, that
There's a
new.
lot of racism over here.
Well, why? Nobody didn't tell you to come down here. You should have kept your behind in New York. God kept your behind in New York.
When I tell you to stand up,
It's racism.
right,
out here.
you should get up.
I gotta do
That's
it.
simple as
Down
that.
here.
When I tell you on the rest, you put your hands on your back. Simple.
Oh, my God.
No. Don't stop the BS. After you got some sense, you won't have a
I
problem.
always ask.
Obviously you don't.
Always
Because you can't after you got some damn sense. Act like a
That's
damn
it,
fool.
bro.
See, that's that New York attitude.
I got sense, bro.
Then use it.
Smart, bro.
Then use it.
That's why God chose me and not you.
Yeah, it shows you, all right. It shows you go to jail today.
Oh, for my people, I do that.
If you're people.
Your people.
Clown.
He said his people.
It's people. Yeah.
Whatever, bro.
I'm glad I could entertain y'all. See,
You're welcome.
that person.
Stand up, Mr. Entertainer.
I'm glad I could
Superstar.
entertain y'all.
Take that direction, Mr. Superstar.
Appreciate that, man.
Oh no, stop. Stop. And there's something. Here's something genuine. Come on back out here.
Tell me what you witnessed at the airport. You're employees at the airport.
I'm an employee at the airport.
And you made contact with a Atlanta Police Department in reference to what?
Okay, I was ordering my coffee and I heard a loud screaming.
From where?
I was inside the atrium. I was getting my coffee from Starbucks, and I heard a loud screaming, a person screaming at people. So I turned around to see where it was coming from, and it was a gentleman standing there. I couldn't hear what he was saying, but it was loud, and he was saying it like to passerbyers who was passing by him. I was like, well, that's kind of disruptive, and so I stood and watched, maybe thinking that it was just an incident, but he.
Put that down, son.
Sorry, but he kept going. He just kept screaming at people that was passing him by. He was rapping.
What he was saying?
I couldn't, like I said, I was way over at Starbucks. He was over in the area, but he was loud.
Okay.
And so it was just like he was maybe rapping, but he was doing it to people who was passing him by, almost like trying to get in their space. So I thought he was trying to intimidate them. And that's what I told the person that I called on the line. I said, I don't know if it's illegal for him to yell and scream at people, but he was making them uncomfortable in their skin.
What he was saying, I mean, do you understand?
It was rap.
Okay.
It was. I love rap, but I'm saying
Yeah.
I don't know what he was saying. I was way over at Starbucks, and I could just hear him. Whoa! But it was you hear the
So he was in the atrium doing that as people walking past.
and he was in their face screaming at him, and everybody was looking like scared. They were looking scared.
Okay.
And so I was like, I can't just not say anything.
Okay.
So like I said, I waited for a second before I called, thinking that he was just. But then he was walking in people's space, and then he walked and sat down by Popeyes, and that's when I was on the phone, and I was like facing him when I was calling. So, and he was looking at me, so I was like, I probably should act like I'm not even calling. So,
Right.
yeah.
Okay, describe that individual was screaming at people and you called the police on him.
Yeah.
Describe him to me.
Okay, he was a black gentleman. He had on like a sweatshirt, and I couldn't tell if it was dark blue. This is how far away from him.
Right.
I couldn't tell if it was a dark blue or a black. He had on some tennis shoes, and he had like a.
Okay. So but after you called, what you did from there?
I received another call. I had to go check on the escalator. There was a lady who had her phone that fell into the number 3
Okay.
carousel area over there.
Uh-huh.
So I had to take pictures and send that upstairs. And then they called me again to go check the escalator. And that's what I was.
So back to get away. Okay, when you were calling him and you said he was sitting next to Popeyes
Yeah, he was sitting
restaurant,
next to Popeyes.
what he was doing there?
He was sitting down still screaming,
Just screaming loud.
being loud.
Okay. Sound aggressive.
It sounded aggressive to me.
Right. Gotcha.
Yeah, and then I knew it wasn't good for the patrons. That's why I called.
Okay. All right.
All suspects are innocent until proven guilty. Thank you for watching.